You're unboxing your Meta Quest 4 haptic gloves completely wrong, and it's costing you the best VR experience of your life. I'm about to show you everything Meta doesn't tell you in their quick start guide. Here's the massive problem nobody talks about. Most people rip open that sleek black Meta Quest 4 box, grab those revolutionary haptic gloves, and immediately try pairing them without doing the critical first steps. Then they wonder why the haptic feedback feels weak, why the finger tracking is laggy, or why their battery dies in 2 hours instead of 8. According to Meta's official documentation from January 2026, over 60% of haptic glove issues come from improper initial setup. Let me show you the right way. First, don't touch those gloves yet. Inside your Meta Quest 4 haptic gloves box, you'll see the premium charging case with the magnetic connectors. Notice those tiny gold contact points on the case interior. These need to be completely cleaned before first use. Use the included microfiber cloth to wipe them down. Most people skip this and wonder why charging is inconsistent. Now check your Meta Quest 4 headset firmware. Open your settings menu, scroll down to System, then About. Your firmware should show version January 15, 2026 or higher. If not, update immediately because the haptic glove drivers won't work properly on older firmware. Connect to Wi-Fi, go back to Settings, then System Updates, and let it download. While that's updating, let's examine these incredible gloves. The left glove has the main power indicator, that subtle blue LED strip along the wrist. The right glove houses the primary haptic engine. You'll feel it's slightly heavier. Each fingertip has those breakthrough micro actuators that deliver precise touch sensations. According to TechCrunch's January 2026 review, these provide over 40 different texture types. If you're finding this valuable, hit that subscribe button. We post tech tutorials daily. Now for the game-changing setup most people mess up. Put on your Meta Quest 4 headset and navigate to the device settings panel. Look for the new haptic accessories option. It's a small glove icon at the bottom right. Tap it, then select Add New Gloves. Here's the critical part, don't put the gloves on yet. Hold the left glove with the palm facing up. Press and hold the small calibration button near the thumb for exactly 5 seconds until you see a pulsing white light. Do the same with the right glove. Your headset display should show gloves detected with 2 green check marks. Now slide on the left glove first. The sizing system is brilliant, these memory foam interiors adapt to your exact hand shape. Feel those micro adjustments happening? That's the internal fitting system activating. The glove should feel snug but not tight around your wrist sensor band. Put on the right glove and immediately you'll see the hand tracking calibration screen appear in your headset. This is where most people rush through and ruin everything. Take your time here. Follow the on-screen prompts exactly. Make a fist, spread your fingers wide, touch your thumb to each fingertip slowly. The system is mapping your unique hand geometry and haptic response preferences. Watch your calibration quality meter on the right side of the screen. You want all 5 fingers showing green status indicators. If any show yellow or red, repeat that finger's calibration sequence. According to Meta's engineering blog from February 2026, proper calibration improves haptic accuracy by up to 300%. Here's a pro tip that will blow your mind. In the Advanced Haptic Settings menu, there's a hidden intensity curve option. Tap the 3 dots next to haptic strength, then custom profile. Most people leave this on the default linear setting, but switching to exponential gives you subtle sensations for light touches and intense feedback for strong interactions. It's like upgrading from standard definition to 4K for your sense of touch. Navigate to the battery optimization panel in your glove settings. Enable smart power management and set sleep timer to 30 seconds. This single setting extends battery life from 4 hours to nearly 8 hours according to Battery University's March 2026 testing data. Want another game changer? Open the Meta Store and download the Haptic Calibration Pro app. It's free but hidden in the Utilities section. This app includes texture libraries that train your gloves to simulate wood, metal, fabric, and even liquid sensations. Run through the 5-minute texture training program and your gloves will deliver incredibly realistic material feedback. Here's something amazing most people never discover. In your Quest 4 settings, there's a gesture shortcuts menu under the haptic gloves section. You can program custom hand gestures to launch apps, adjust volume, or even take screenshots. Double tap your thumb and index finger together to instantly access your home menu. Make an OK sign with your right hand to take photos. These shortcuts work in any VR environment. The charging case has a secret feature too. Those LED indicators on the front don't just show battery levels. Press the small button on the case back and the LEDs display charging temperature. Green means optimal, yellow means slightly warm, red means too hot and charging will slow down. Always charge in a cool environment for fastest results. Before you dive into VR experiences, test everything in the hand tracking demo app. This shows real-time finger positioning, haptic feedback intensity, and latency measurements. Your finger tracking should show under 20 milliseconds of lag and haptic response under 15 milliseconds. If numbers are higher, restart the calibration process. One final pro tip that will save you hours of frustration. Create a custom play area specifically for haptic glove use. Go to Guardian Settings, then create New Boundary, and select Haptic Enhanced Mode. This creates a slightly smaller play space but enables precision finger tracking that's essential for detailed haptic feedback. Regular Guardian boundaries can interfere with the glove's spatial mapping. Your Meta Quest 4 haptic gloves are now perfectly configured for mind-blowing VR experiences. Remember, at TechNavigator Pro, we help you navigate your tech journey with confidence. Every setting, every calibration step, every hidden feature, we've got you covered. Subscribe for daily tech tutorials that unlock the full potential of your devices. Trust me, once you experience properly configured haptic feedback, you'll never go back to regular VR controllers again.